Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a refreshing topic for you. American lemonade. You might think you know everything about this classic drink, but we've dug up some hidden gems that will leave you surprised. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to quench your thirst for knowledge. Let's start with the basics. Lemonade, as we know it today, has a fascinating history. It's believed to have originated in Egypt around 1000 AD, where it was a mixture of lemon juice, sugar, and water. In the early 19th century, vendors began selling soft drinks from street carts, and lemonade quickly became an American favorite. Pink lemonade surprise. Did you know that pink lemonade isn't just regular lemonade with a drop of food coloring? In fact, the pink color has a pretty surprising origin. Some say it was first created in the mid-1800s when a circus worker accidentally dropped red-colored cinnamon candies into a batch of lemonade. Others believe it came from the juice of a special pink lemon variety. The mystery behind pink lemonade adds a unique twist to the classic drink. A global phenomenon. American lemonade isn't just limited to the United States. It has taken the world by storm. In the United Kingdom, you'll find cloudy lemonade, which contains bits of lemon pulp. Lemonade stand laws. Here's an interesting fact: lemonade stands have their own set of laws in some places. Believe it or not, there have been instances where kids' lemonade stands were shut down for not having the right permits. Fortunately, there's been a trend in recent years to relax these regulations and support young entrepreneurs. Lemonade for a good cause. Lemonade isn't just about satisfying your taste buds, it can also be a force for good. Many lemonade stands are used to raise money for charitable causes, such as cancer research or disaster relief. It's a great example of how a simple drink can make a big difference. Presidential lemonade. Did you know that lemonade has a presidential connection? Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, was known for his love of gardening and experimenting with fruits. He grew his lemons and used them to make his special recipe of lemonade. So, even some of our founding fathers had a taste for this classic drink. Lemonade as a healer. Lemonade was once considered a remedy for various ailments. In the 18th and 19th centuries, it was thought to cure everything from scurvy to digestive problems. While it might not be a magical cure, the vitamin C in lemons does have some health benefits. The lemonade diet craze. Ever heard of the lemonade diet, also known as the Master Cleanse? It's a fad diet that gained popularity in the mid-20th century. It involves drinking a mixture of lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and maple syrup for several days. The diet is extreme and controversial, but it has had its moments of fame. Lemonade records. Lemonade isn't just a thirst quencher. It's also a record label founded by none other than Queen Bey herself, Beyoncé. In 2016, she released her groundbreaking visual album, Lemonade, which addressed themes of race, feminism, and personal growth. It was a massive hit and solidified the drink's place in pop culture. The largest lemonade stand. In 2008, a group of kids in Texas set up the world's largest lemonade stand, earning a spot in the Guinness World Records. They sold lemonade for a good cause and raised an impressive amount of money. It goes to show that lemonade stands can be about more than just profits. The Lemonade War. Believe it or not, there's a popular children's book series called The Lemonade War by Jacqueline Davies. It's a story about a brother and sister who start rival lemonade stands to see who can make the most money. It's a great read for young entrepreneurs and teaches valuable life lessons. Lemonade's influence on language. The word lemonade has influenced the English language in unexpected ways. The phrase, "When life gives you lemons, make lemonade," is a well-known idiom, encouraging a positive attitude in the face of adversity. Lemonade has become a symbol of making the best out of a sour situation. Lemonade variations across the USA. Lemonade isn't just a one-size-fits-all beverage in the United States. Different regions have their unique variations. In the South, you'll find sweet tea lemonade, a mix of lemonade and sweet tea. Out west, they make Arnold Palmer, which blends lemonade with iced tea. So, lemonade has local twists across the country. Lemonade as a household cleaner. Believe it or not, lemonade can also be used as a household cleaner. The citric acid in lemon juice makes it an effective natural cleaner. It can remove stains, deodorize, and even brighten whites when used in your laundry. So, there you have it. Even more hidden facts about American lemonade that make this classic drink all the more fascinating. Share any unusual lemonade stories or facts you know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.